Children, in the lesson number 5, we had studied about the changes in the substances. At that time, I had shown you the thermometer which is used for measuring our body temperature. Okay, I had shown you the digital thermometer, but this is one of the clinical thermometer. Okay, and this is a laboratory thermometer. This is a laboratory thermometer. You know that when water is heated, when we heat the water, I am showing you now. When water boils, its temperature increases. So this is the mercury column, and you will observe the rise in temperature here when water starts boiling. Just observe how the mercury is rising higher and higher. Are you able to see? Yes. As the temperature increases, you are able to see the black line that is showing that when something is heated, its temperature rises. This one experiment, and another experiment that I wish to show you is the sublimation. You know, sublimation is a process where solid substance directly converts into the vapor. I had explained you it. I had taken the iodine crystals, you can see some iodine crystals. Are you getting it? And I am pouring it in the sand. This is the sand. I am pouring it here together and keeping it on this wire gauze. This is the tripod stand, burner and a wire gauze, and this is a china dish, we can say, or a bowl. After that, I am mixing it with the stirrer. What I had taken? Sand and iodine crystals. As iodine is a sublimating substance, what I am doing now? I am inverting this funnel. Inverting funnel which is covered, whose mouth is covered by means of the cotton. I am inverting it over this. Observe. After some time, you will observe that the white fumes are formed. Are you able to see the white fumes? White fumes are formed means what is happening? That iodine is directly converting into the vapors. Instead of converting it into the liquid, it is converting into the vapor. Yes? Have you observed it? This is a sublimation. Thank you. Children, in the sublimation process, I said white fumes are formed, but I am very sorry to say that I said white wrongly and violet fumes are formed. See here, are you able to see the violet fumes? Violet fumes are formed, so keep in mind, in iodine, when iodine is heated, violet fumes are formed and not white.